In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tables from OpenAI to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a table with AI, export it as a CSV, and bring it neatly into a Notion database with matching columns. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the home page, click Log In. Choose the option to sign in with Google, then select your Google account to complete the sign in. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the new table to live. Once you're in, create a fresh spot for your data. Click Add a Page in the sidebar to spin up a new page and give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects the data you're about to import. A good name helps keep your workspace organized when you import multiple tables later. Now switch over to OpenAI in your browser by heading to chatgpt.com. In the Ask Anything bar at the bottom, type your request for the table you need. Be specific about the structure so the import goes smoothly. Mention the exact column names you want and ask for at least 5 example rows to give Notion enough variety to detect and align data types. For instance, you might request a simple table with columns such as name, category, priority, due date, and notes, along with 5 filled out examples. Clear instructions here save you cleanup time later. When the table is ready, take a quick moment to review it on screen. Make sure the headers match what you want to see in Notion and that the examples look correct. If you spot anything off, ask for a quick revision before exporting. Once it looks good, ask the AI to make a downloadable CSV file. Simply type, "Make a downloadable CSV file," and give it a moment to prepare the download. When you see the option, click Download the CSV file and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or Downloads folder. Using a meaningful file name can help you keep track of versions if you're importing multiple tables. Head back to your Notion page. Open the page you created earlier so you can bring the data in. In the top right corner of the page, click the 3 dots to open the page menu, then choose Import. In the Import window, select the option to choose a file and navigate to the CSV you just downloaded. Open the file to preview the import. Next, confirm the import by clicking Import CSV into Notion. Notion may prompt you to map CSV headers. This step ensures each column in your CSV connects to the right property in the Notion database. Check that names line up correctly and that obvious data types are recognized. If you see date-like values, make sure they're mapped to a date property. And if you have numbers or priorities, verify they're treated appropriately. A careful header mapping here means a cleaner, more functional database once the import completes. When everything looks right, click Import CSV to finish. Your table should now appear on the page as a Notion database. Scroll through a few rows to verify that values landed in the correct columns and that the headers match what you expected. If you plan to bring in additional tables, repeat the same flow. Generate a table in OpenAI with the structure you want, ask for a downloadable CSV, download it, return to your Notion page, and import. Keeping your prompts consistent across tables will help ensure all your databases share the same structure, which makes filtering, sorting, and connecting pages much easier. That's it. You've transferred a table from OpenAI to Notion using a CSV, mapped your headers for accuracy, and set yourself up to repeat the process for more data whenever you need.